What is going on, everybody? How are we doing today? We are live and we're having a great time. Thank you for joining. This is ATB in the morning, ATB AM. Have we came up with a name yet? We have not. Should we? Probably. All right. Also, I'm supposed to start at the desk. How are we all doing? Oh my God, I don't even know what room I'm in. I don't know where I'm going. All right, guys, today is August 3rd. It's 9:30 a.m. I appreciate you joining me. We're here Monday through Friday every single day. All right, let's just get right into the price action first before we talk about the news. And we're going to talk about Binance. We're going to talk about Elon Musk's tweet. We're going to talk about a golden cross. And we might also talk a little bit about Coinbase and what is going on with that. What is going on? Flippa is first. All right, first we have Bitcoin down about 1%. But some of these alts are bleeding, folks. We have XRP down 4%. Cardano down 3.5%, Dogecoin down 4%, and then we have Litecoin down 5%. Is there a light at the end of the tunnel? We're going to talk about that. And I might actually go ahead and share this alpha with you right now. After every single halving event, it seems like the price goes down. Is it easy to just short it? I wonder if that's the move in the future. Just short all halving events, and might be a play there. What is going on? Christopher, G Money, and Cloud. And don't forget, ATB in the mornings is me and you going around the blockchain. You're sitting right next to me. You're in the back. You're in the back. All right. First, let's see what are the top gainers. Woo! We have Flex is way up, man. That coin just moves. It is insane. I remember it being in the 90s. Now it is 64. XDC is up. Caspa is up. Look at the top losers. We have Synthetics, Compounds, Stellar, and then Litecoin. So major moves to the downside there. All right, let's talk about, speaking of price action, what is that, Fisherman JS and Lifer? Speaking of price action, let's talk about the 4chan coin, and then the whole the drama that then ensued from it. Was it real? Was it fake? I think we're gonna break down the story, and then we'll figure it out for ourselves. Hold on. Oh yeah, there we go. I remember my first time streaming. All right. Developer accidentally locked up almost $10,000 of Ethereum for 100 years. But critics are saying it is deliberate. What is up, Manawak? How are we all doing? Yes, 420 is the best one. DZ, since when are you streaming in the AM? I just started essentially this week with the regular scheduled programming, and we're looking like we're trying to do 9:30 to 10. My portfolio is looking like the Clintons and Obama's chef, meaning it is dripping. It is dripping wet because of all the profits that are falling off of it, correct? All right, let's get back to the story. 100 years, $9,000 worth of Ether. All right, so Witty Exchange on 4chan showed a developer accidentally locking 5 Ether for 100 years, which resulted in a price pump for their test token. Now, commentators are saying the whole thing might have been on purpose. All right, so they're workshopping a test token on 4chan. Then they accidentally locked it up. Let's see, it's spread across. I think this is going to give us the screenshot here. All right, might have to zoom in a little. Oh, yeah, Twitter. That's just how Twitter works. All right, hey, trying to do a test, create my token. Just need a code snippet. I need to be able to revoke ownership, blah, blah, blah. Found some on this. I know at ETH testnet, where I can be test locking with funds getting lost. I'll help you if you give me an allocation of your shitcoin you're going to advertise. Otherwise, me can only lose by seeing your Sir buy my meme token spam. All right, so no shitcoin now test. Okay, so then here we go. Okay, done. How to unlock in testnet. And then they're like, well, you should ask the Ethereum Council. Pretty funny. You have to wait until unlock. Did you lock with a small amount for a short time? Should be fine. So I locked 10K in test ETH for 100 years. How do you get test ETH back? Here is the address. And then here's the post right there. That's not the test net, sir. Kek. The misspelling of LOL. So that was the little screenshot there. Then the spread in the test token shot up to a $6 million market cap before sellers started dumping, and then the price dumped 70%. So is there something suspicious going on here, folks? What do you think? Went up to 6 million. This person saying it is on 4chan. The whole thing is probably a LARP, said one commentator. So I don't know, guys. What do you think? Was it real? Was it fake? Looks like, $6 million market cap from probably nothing. Probably pretty good. And so here we have the actual data on the pricing. Token jumped up, had an initial pump before rising as high as 60% of a penny, which is a $6 million market cap. And then it slid to let's just say 10% of a penny. So it went from 60% of a penny to 10% of a penny, 15% of a penny. I think it was fake, guys. What do you guys think? I think it was fake. I think it was all a ruse. I think it was great marketing. And I think we're going to see some copycats coming down the pipeline there. So expect to see more of this, more, oh, I accidentally screwed it up. I didn't know what I was doing. Can someone help me? And then it'll spread, and we're like, look at that idiot, ha ha ha. We like to make fun of them, and then that test token is gonna, or the token will start spreading, and then all of a sudden shoots up 1,000%. Is that gonna be you? Are you gonna get in early on the next one? All right, let's see. Then we have the Binance could face. All right, this is the Binance thing. All right, so there's some FUD going on around finance. I didn't know this was the video. I'm just gonna kind of give you the broad strokes here. Yeah, we got it muted. All right, so Semaphore is reporting that Binance might face Department of Justice fraud charges. The prosecutors are weighing alternatives given the style of a bank run. So the story here is Fed officials, enforcement officers, they're all like colluding. Hey, man, what should we do? I don't know. We got to go after this Binance guy. But if we go against them, there might be a bank run. So now we got to think, strategically. How do we do this? Do we, give them a slap on the wrist? Do we give them an exit ramp? What are we going to do? Here's the story, though. We're scared of a bank run. This is reporting by Semaphore, all right? But here's where the real story is. The real story isn't Binance could face DOJ charges. That's not the story. The story was tweeted out by Elon Musk months ago. Semaphore is owned by Sam Bankman-Fried, massive conflict of interest. Here you can see the investor's name, and he was in a funding round, not late round, not seed round, not A, B, C round. He's in the funding round very, very early, so he's making some money off this. Semaphore, owned by SBF. Massive conflict of interest in your reporting. Journalistic integrity is trash. So then CZ retweeted this tweet from November. So this is an old tweet that Elon Musk did 7 months ago. What is going on, Papa? Vegan, CCC. We got Lazarus, Poyo in the house. Watching study. The crawler, the creepy caller, all the cool people are hanging out today. All right, man, I meant to go to Semaphore. What happened here? All right. No, let's go to CZ. We'll find the Semaphore. Go to CZ. You see the retweet here. Semaphore. I don't know how I clicked on Elon instead. Here they have. Hey, where were they going out against 1 hour ago? They got a piece against Trump. Ignoring anti-abortion activists and winning anyways. Here we have sit down with another colleague, Donald Trump, parent domination. All right, so we have Trump, and then we have women's soccer, and then we have more Trump, and then here we have active shooter, bogus call, active shooter. We keep going. We have a China story. We keep going. Don't worry, we're going to get to it. Boom, here we go. U.S. prosecutors worry Binance charges could cause run on exchange. Semaphore.com. So then you got to ask yourself, is SBF doing this on purpose? What is going on? Why is this happening? Is this real journalism? Is this fake? Is this a fraud? I don't know. What do you guys think? What does the blockchainiacs think? What do you chainiacs think? How much FUD will Binance get? Man, there's so much hate when you're on top. Hey, that's just how it's going to be. You got to go for the king. And people never really punch down. They'll always punch up. So they're going to come at you when you're on the top. Coming up from the depths of hell. All right. Someone is a fan of AMP. I do say this is around the blockchain with me and you. We're going to look at AMP. You are a super sub, right? You're a super sub? You're not a super sub. I'm going to do it anyways. That's fine. All right. AMP down 3.6%. If we go to the max chart, all-time chart, here you can see put in an all-time high in June. So that's pretty interesting. Months after sentiment is down, months after Bitcoin's first all-time high. But then you see in November, they could not quite capture the second leg of bullish momentum. To me, I'm not saying that is a dead coin, but they could. All right, Bitcoin put in a second all-time high. AMP was not able to match that second all-time high. To me, when Bitcoin does invariably put in a new all-time high, maybe AMP investors will look at that, and I think a lot of people will be looking to sell around these levels. So just make sure you take some healthy profits. That's my only advice right there. All right, we're going to talk about the Golden Cross soon, but first we got this story. Then we're going to talk Golden Cross. Number 4, what's going on? Make sure you hit that like button 4 times. Wait a minute. That'll mean no. Make it 5. All right, Justin, Coinbase confirms mainnet launch date for Base. Base is coming out soon, folks. I think it's coming out August 9th right here. So coming out, today is the 3rd. We're coming out in 6 days. Today is Wednesday. It's going to be coming out on Tuesday. Today is Wednesday. Is it Thursday? Today Thursday? I don't even know what day it is, man. Everything's a blur. Roosevelt Taylor with the $2 super sub. Can chat tell me what day of the week it is? That's how out of it I am. That's how busy I've been. Message retracted. I didn't even get to see it. All right, so they're saying, hey, this is not investment advice, but hey, base layer 2 coming soon, August 9th. Now for the main story, everybody. XRP Bitcoin print rare golden cross. Here are the details. Hint, it ends with a Y. All right. It's Monday. That's what you're saying. All right. Crypto analysts have spotted a rare occurrence on Bitcoin and XRP trading chart that comes as Bitcoin prints a golden cross on its 3-day charts. I think it was Evan Aldo was pointing out some of these. Market analysts note that this is a rare long-term signal and has only flashed twice previously, with this present instance marking the third occasion in Bitcoin's history. In all cases of the golden cross on the 3-day, new all-time were hit between 400 and 500 days later. Let's do a little math on the 4-year cycle, which is actually 3 or 10-month cycle. So we had an all-time high in the beginning of November. You subtract 2 months from that and add 3 years or 4 years. You're going to have 2025. You're going to have September 2025. 365 days in a year. So we're going forward a year. We'll add 2 months. We'll add 1 month, really. 365, 35 days. Go forward. We have is 2024, and then it is September. So September 2024 to 500 days later, which would be January. All right, that kind of tracks because Bitcoin, they're not saying all-time high, at the zenith. They're saying just a new all-time high. So when did Bitcoin pass 20K? It was December of 2020. And so are we seeing something maybe similar going to play out here? December 2020, it took 11 months for it to go from passing all-time high to setting all-time high. This is very bullish. This is makes me more firmly believe the 4-year cycle. This lets me know everything that I've been putting in, all this work I've been putting in the last 18 months is really setting up something good because that's what we're here for. ATB AM is nice. Love the show. Thank you, Roosevelt, for the super sub chat right there. $1.99, so thank you. Hefe, ET, Fueled, all hanging out, so appreciate it. Still, no one's told me what day of the week it is. I literally don't know what day of the week it is. Why are you guys doing this to me? Okay, it is Thursday. One of those weeks, folks. All right. XRP, the 4th largest cryptocurrency, has also been observed to have triggered this type of golden cross on its 3-day chart. This looks like the XRP. No, Bitcoin's $1.20. Yeah, this is the XRP chart. Now 70 cents. God, that logarithmic scale is just nuts, man. This is $10 like right there. Makes that $3 look very, very possible. Makes the $3 thing look like, oh, $10 is right there. No, it's logarithmic charts can play with your eyeballs, folks. So just be careful. All right, by definition, golden cross is a chart pattern that occurs when a short-term moving average crosses above a long-term moving average. The golden cross implies the prospect of a long-term bull market emerging. As long-term indicators often carry more weight, high trading volumes tend to strengthen the indicator. Regardless, some analysts refer to the golden cross as lagging indicators, implying that the data required to create the pattern has already happened. Although the golden cross may indicate a long-term bull market going forward, the truth remains. The no indicator can truly predict the future, except for your favorite TA guy. They can, right? Many times produces a false signal. Many times, sure. Yeah, in history. But here's the deal with Bitcoin. It has only happened twice. It has only happened twice in history. So when they're like, yeah, many times it's just been fake and fraud and it never works. Well, in this particular case, it's only happened twice. Both times we got an all-time high. Within a new all-time high, 400 or 500 days later. So this is the third time. Is the third time the charm? I think it's going to keep working. Is there a microchip that you... Oh, microcap. Ha, 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 ha. I do like TAP XTP. XTP is pretty low market cap. Martini guy has a good breakdown on it. So that's a good one. All right, there's a little DZ Alpha. Remember, morning AM, it's me and you going around the blockchain. All right, after swaying for much of the previous day, here's we're just talking about price action. Yeah, 29K, XRP's down. Down from the 94 cents and, reached the rally, blah, blah, blah. So we have this golden cross. It's looking pretty good, folks. How do you feel about the golden cross? Do you feel like this is going to be something big or something small? I'm feeling like bullish. I'm feeling bullish, folks. I'm feeling bullish. Only happened 3 times. Previous 2 times, all-time high, 400 or 500 days later. I think Bitcoin is going to set a new all-time high, matching the 4-year cycle. I think the correlation of 4-year cycle is going to be diminished as more and more traders learn about it and start trading against each other, and then it's going to kind of even out. But I'm feeling very, very bullish. All right, what is up, Crimson, Brokoshi, Mike, Dano, Studio? Yeah, it is a mid-journey. This is mid-journey. Don't worry, I have a set being built. You know, the set where I look, hey, here I look a normal size. Whoa, why is he so big? Why is he so small? Yeah, I'm working on it. I got John, the ATB team, are on the Hit Network team working on it. So, yeah, we should have some pretty cool things. All right, that's all we got time for. It's a shorter episode. Not too much news, so I'm not going to sit here and keep dancing. Oh, yeah, you know, let me try to pretend this is big news. Hey, guys, this is big. No, all right, I gave you the big news. That's what's up. We'll be back at 5 p.m. We'll tell you the upcoming developments in the crypto world. Thank you for joining. Make sure you hit that like button. We'll be here at 9:30 a.m. every single day. Thank you, Crimson, Fueled, Brokoshi, Dano, Mike, Loose, Whatcha, and Bullish, E.T. Hefe, Fueled, all y'all, Papa, Jimmy, Poyo, Vegan. I appreciate all you guys hanging out. So we'll be here tomorrow, same time. I'll be hosting the BitBoy crypto stream as well, and I'm doing 2 days next week. So see ya, man. See ya.